Hello guys and welcome. I just wanted to show you a really quick and easy idea if you have purchased the sexy black salt flakes or even the pistachio and Ras el Hanout gravel. Now these are really quick and easy ideas and I want you to take these and make them your own. So what I've got, this is perfect for if you've got a bread or a cheese board or something like that and you want to do a sexy little dipping sauce. So I've got a balsamic glaze and that is nice and thick and very easy to draw on the plate. So choose a plate that is absolutely gorgeous. It'll really pop out the color. You can then get your favorite extra virgin olive oil. Now you can use a flavored olive oil, you could do a truffled oil or a lemon or a mandarin or a lime oil or just a really good quality, preferably in date extra virgin olive oil. What we're going to do is pour a little bit of that lovely oil into our balsamic love heart, and then what we are going to do is adorn that beautiful love heart with our sexy black salt flakes. And I'm just taking a pinch out of there. They are dramatic and bold and gorgeous, and they eat really well. So because of the lovely quality of the flake, it'll actually dissolve on the palate and be absolutely gorgeous. Now you could leave it right there, but I'm going to use some of that lovely pistachio gravel, and that will bring some beautiful flavor, color, and personality to any bread that you drag through this love heart. So I have a sample here of some lovely bread. We are going to drag that through and break our own heart. Enjoy, guys. Yummy. Perfecto.